Metaverse is the big thing in the digital world right now because it has so many goals and options. Metaverse is on the cutting edge of technology and digital research, which makes it appealing to a wide range of investors. It is a place where the digital and real worlds can coexist and have an effect on important parts of everyday life. Many experts say that the metaverse is still a long way off, but the term's growing use has made many people wonder what changes it could bring or what kind of example it could set. So, in this video, we're going to talk about what Metaverse is and how it works. But before we start our video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon as well. So let's start. What is Metaverse? Metaverse is a network of simulated digital worlds whose main goal is to bring people together. It uses persistent virtual worlds, blockchain, and augmented reality to make online places for people to meet and talk to each other. This is made easier by mobile internet and headsets for augmented reality and virtual reality. Edil Patel, CEO and co-founder of Mudrex, said, "The metaverse theme is driven by other key features like physically persistent virtual space, digital avatars, virtual reality, and access across multiple devices." Metaverse in the virtual world experience. In the metaverse, users can create a three-dimensional image that wraps around them for more immersive experience on the internet. Without virtual reality, this experience would not be possible. Virtual reality is a key part of the metaverse, a place where people can experience both the digital and real worlds at the same time. Immersive experiences put people in a made-up space where they can interact with and change their surroundings. It uses a mix of images, technology, and sound to create unique and interesting worlds. Immersive experiences are the same as the normal things you feel when you go about your daily life. Some of them are going to a concert, having a meeting somewhere else, watching a movie, learning with friends, and so on. How to use the immersive experience in the metaverse? Immersive experiences can be made possible by technologies such as the virtual world, VR. It puts the user in a digital version of the real world and lets them connect with it. The things in the digital world are made up and look the same as the things in the real world. 360 photography and videography are used to digitally capture virtual reality environments. This lets users be put inside the world and see the captured moment from a more interactive point of view. A virtual headset is what makes this reality possible. Augmented reality, AR. It has parts of the real world and parts that are digital. It uses smartphone screens or headsets to make virtual things in the real world more interesting. So, users can use some digital features while still being able to interact with the real world. Mixed reality, MR. As the name suggests, mixed reality, MR combines both virtual reality and augmented reality to make an experience that is very immersive. It's a mix of virtual and holographic images, and to see it, the user wears special glasses. As the user looks through a virtual headset, they can't see what's around them. This helps them focus on what's in front of them. Also, the virtual reality headset cuts down on the sounds of the real world so that the user can focus on the sounds of the virtual world. Using certain accessories in VR can also improve your sense of touch. It gives users feedback that they can feel, so that when something happens in the digital world, they can feel vibrations. What is a metaverse avatar? Avatars are digital versions of us. Since they can't live and grow in the same way as our bodies, the best thing to do is to let them live and grow in their digital world. But avatars in this space can look different because they have humanoid features like a lower and upper torso, movable limbs, and a face for nonverbal communication. In the metaverse, you can only move around and explore that part of the digital world if you have an avatar. Avatars are a way to get into the metaverse, and they can be made using a simple or ready-made process. To fully connect to the virtual space, you need tools like VR goggles and other receptive tools that let you feel the body sensations needed for communication. How will the metaverse work? Metaverse will change into a system that is very large, very open, and optimized on the fly as application scenarios get better. Creators from different fields, like cyberspace experts, hardware engineers, and regular users, will work together to build this system. This will allow for a wide range of virtual reality use cases. The end result will be a huge ecosystem of digital assets. Sustainability in the metaverse. The metaverse is a huge step forward for sustainability because it shows us new, and often better, ways to reach our goals. Mark Zuckerberg says that cutting down on daily commutes will be very good for the ecosystem. Cutting down on our everyday trips will give us more time to do important things and less time stuck in traffic, he said. It will be good for our environment. For example, if you travel for work and working in the metaverse means you take fewer flights per year, that's better for the environment than almost anything else you can do. How education will change? It looks like the future of education will be exciting. It might give students a chance to try out their crazy ideas without wasting money or putting themselves in danger by working with dangerous materials. This will make it possible to make digital copies of everything, so that anything can be tested without wasting money or time. In the not-too-distant future, classrooms in the metaverse will be able to do almost everything a real-life classroom can do, and even more. Metaverse and retail branding for consumers. The metaverse gives businesses a new idea to play with. From the earliest days of building a website to e-commerce, social media profiles, and even live broadcasting, avatars, which are virtual characters, have become more and more popular in recent years, opening up many business opportunities in the retail sector. Many customers today want a mix of in-store and online experiences. The Metaverse lets users interact with brands and products through a customized avatar. The healthcare industry in Metaverse. The next big thing in the healthcare industry is all about making medical services more open, easy to use, and compatible with each other. The healthcare metaverse will be finished when it is easy to move the data, services, and assets that make up these 3D virtual places between networks and platforms. Asset classes like 3D models, digital avatars, spatial environments, and mixed reality, along with their metadata, work together to make content packages that are the most important parts of the healthcare metaverse. NFTs, games, and cryptocurrencies. Metaverse is changing the story by adding non-fungible tokens, NFT and cryptocurrencies to the digital economy to make it more stable. In the metaverse, users have full power over their digital assets. Blockchain technology provides proof of ownership that can't be changed, which is important for virtual worlds. Users can be sure that their transactions are safe and can reduce the chance of losing money. The importance of Metaverse. The Metaverse is important in many different ways like rich opportunities. Metaverse gives people different ways to work, which helps the world economy. Since it is a digital copy of the real world, users can do digital versions of jobs they could do in the real world. Digital house designers, virtual real estate managers, hardware engineers, event coordinators, cybersecurity experts, and many other jobs are available. Also, when the metaverse grows up, it will be hard to pass up opportunities like digital advertising, digital events, and e-commerce. Networking. The metaverse is a very important place to meet new people. Metaverse tries to make it as easy as possible for people to talk to each other and share ideas. Metaverse lets people with similar interests connect and share ideas to help each other grow and succeed. Using avatars in advanced virtual meetings, you can easily talk to anyone you want. Your virtual avatars are digital copies of you, and they will act the same way you would if you were there in person. Flexibility. The metaverse has a lot of great features and benefits. In this digital space, you can work and do almost anything you want. Companies can encourage people to work from home by using this technology. The work environment doesn't change much because workers have the same responsibilities and access as their in-office colleagues. The metaverse also makes it possible for people to do many different things. For example, you can go anywhere without having to go through the trouble of getting a plane ticket. Accessibility. Since the goal of the metaverse is to make it easier for people from all over the world to understand each other and communicate, everyone will be able to use it. Metaverse's ability to include everyone makes it an important technology and a good way to spend time and money. But it can cost a lot of money. Will the internet be replaced by the metaverse? The metaverse is a digital world where real things happen. It connects a lot of important tech and social trends. With the help of virtual reality, VR, mixed reality, MR, and augmented reality, AR, reality in the metaverse is possible. AR. Each of these powerful technologies has made the metaverse what it is today and, of course, makes it very interesting to tech experts and fans alike. The next step of the internet could be the metaverse. Over the years, the internet has gone through a number of amazing changes that have helped us with a wide range of tasks. For example, e-commerce has made it easier to do business, and this change has even reached the banking world. The metaverse is very important to our future because it will shape and affect so many things that we can't even imagine. See how Mark Zuckerberg describes the metaverse as embodied internet if you don't believe this news. Metaverse will do the same thing that the internet does now, but it will be bigger and better. When this happens, it could slowly replace the internet as we know it, and most people will accept it. Change does happen all the time, and everyone has to deal with it in some way. Technology gets better over time so that it can meet the needs of people as they change. The metaverse is another thing that has come about as technology has changed. It aims to improve on how communication apps in the regular internet already work. Overall, this can only happen if mobile connections are stronger, more stable, and more reliable, which can be done with technology like 5G. But if you want to try out this new virtual world, you need to sign up for metaverse platform like Decentraland or Sandbox and set up a crypto wallet to store your metaverse token. This will let you trade your regular money for digital money. You can use a Bitcoin wallet, like Binance, Coinbase, or Gemini, to buy your metaverse cryptocurrency. That's all we have got for today. If you enjoy watching the video, drop a comment below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.